In front of me is Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for the pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in the second pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar is gone. If you want to, you can also pinch your device's display where search bar is located. Hold your search bar and drag it to remove section at the top. When it turns red, let go and tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!